안녕하세요. So when you look up any verb or adjectives in dictionary, they end with 다, right? And this 다 we will be changing to different endings. Sometimes it's sentence ending, sentence ends there. Other times it's connective ending like and, but, if, although. Today we are adding another ending to your Korean dictionary, and that is 지. And if you wanna make it polite, of course you know this by now. I'll always add 요 at the end. It's a Lego. Oh, okay. I wanna sound strong, so I'll put 지. Oh, but I wanna sound polite to my listener. You put another Lego block at the end. 요. 지요. Try to say fast. 지요, 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 조. So, 지요 shortens to 조. And in daily conversations, you'll probably not hear people enunciating 지요, 그렇지요. You'll hear more like 그렇죠. So remember this 조 form as polite, especially when you are talking. So, what does 지 mean? Stronger commitment of the speaker. Commitment to what I am saying, basically, okay? So I mean it. Hey, I'm serious. I mean it, okay? Or, oh, let me tell you, I know this stuff. A lot of times it's used in the question. So question that assumes yes as an answer because I have this strong commitment to what I'm saying, right? Say yes. Say yes. You don't have an option. The conjugation is really easy. You'll love this. Dictionary stem and 지. That's it. No irregulars. 비읍, 부 irregular. 디귿, 드 irregular. 시옷, 스 irregular. No irregular. There's no irregular conjugation. Yes. Just dictionary stem plus 지. That's it. We're done for the day. 네, class is finished. I'll go have my coffee. You guys go do your stuff. So relax today, okay? You don't have to worry about like, oh, is this irregular? And we can just see examples. How can I use this easy thing now? 살지, no real irregular, no irregulars, period. So 맛있다, this is the ending. We just changed ending. 다 to 지, and we are done for the day. That's how you say, oh, delicious, right? 맛있지. Intonation, you could either raise it or you could either drop it. For example, it's delicious, isn't it? Right? So like that, you can say 맛있지. Oh, 맛있지. Say yes. Or 맛있지? Right?
어때? 맛있지, 맛있지, 맛있지.
맛있네.
What about 맛없다? Not delicious. How would you change this? Oh, it's awful, isn't it? Ugh. Two friends. 맛없지. Ugh, it's awful, isn't it? And if you want to make it polite, then 맛없지 plus 요, and we looked at it, it becomes 맛없죠. Oh, 맛없죠. This is one of the most commonly used words with this 지 ending. So you already know 그래? Oh, 그래요. Is that so? It is so. Like, really? Yes, really, right? 그렇다, to be so. So you just change 다 to 지. And this he sound underneath makes this 지 harsh, right? That sound. So 그렇지. And then shorten is 그치. Polite form will be 그렇죠. And then this shortens to 그쵸. Right? 그쵸. How would you say? Learning Korean language is really fun, right? So I'm forcing you to say yes. The answer is yes here. 한국어, Korean language. Really, we have lots of them, right? 진짜, 엄청, 정말. These are all colloquial and casual. They're kind of interchangeable. You don't have to worry about the difference. And then 재밌지? 한국어 진짜 재밌지. 한국어 진짜 재밌죠. Okay, 예쁘다, to be pretty. 예쁘지. So noun is here. cute, isn't she? If you are using 지, polite and non-polite, to friends, then you use 나 for I. Remember, 나는. So my is 내 for that. So we match how I refer to myself with the politeness level. So you'll say 내 조카 귀엽지. If you want to be polite, then we do not say 내, we say 제. And then you end with 요 ending. So 귀엽죠. Either 내 조카 귀엽지 or 제 조카 귀엽죠. Can you use it in the statement? Yes, you can. And mostly when you use it in the statement, it's when you're answering with strong agreement. Of course she's cute. There is an adjective, 당연하다, which means to be natural. It's only natural she's cute. Duh, she's cute. So that 당연하다 is used a lot as an answer to the question. Of course, why are you even asking? We all know. You use 당연하지. Oh, it's only natural, of course. 당연하죠.
볶음밥 먹을 거야? 당연하지. 당연하지. 치즈타리까지? 추가 2개.
You know BTS, right? So 방탄소년단 알지? To friends. 알죠? Polite ending. When you're answering, BTS 알지? Oh, of course I know. 알죠? Of course I know. You can add adverbs. Remember 당연하다? You can use it as an adverb as well. 당연히. And then another verb comes. 당연히 알지. 당연히 알죠. Here, question can be just regular 어요, 아요. 방탄소년단 알아? Do you know BTS? So you can answer with 지 or 조 even if the question didn't use 지. The question just neutrally asked. Do you know BTS? I'm not assuming that you'll say yes. When you're answering, you can still use it. 알지. How do we use this with a noun? Noun plus 이다. Am, are, is, to be verb in English. So we use noun plus 이다, and then we change this 다 to 지, like we did. So noun 이지. If the noun ends with a consonant on the bottom, you always need this 이, always after consonants. Consonant 이지, and then vowel 지.
에이, 빈센주 변호사. 마피아지.
저 마피아 아닙니다.
문이 열리네요. 그대가 들어오죠. 한눈에 내 처제인 걸 알았죠.
작은 누나? 주경이지?
주경이야.
So far, when we were asking a question like right or a tag question, isn't it? Those questions didn't have the question word, WH words like what, where, when, why, how, right? Like 뭐, 언제, 어디. When questions don't have them, it was right, the seeking agreement question. But here, look, when questions have those WH words like what, when, where, and then you ask a question with G, instead of right, it's I'm wondering, I'm really curious. Let me ask a question. Oh, I need an answer. So it's still strong commitment, right? Where was it? So you can ask yourself, thinking out loud, or indirectly ask others, like you're talking to yourself. I'm really curious. Where was it? And those question words are also noun, like what, who, when, where. They are nouns. So you put them here as well. What is this? 이거. And if you want to put subject particle, 이거 plus 이가 becomes 이게. You can use both. 이거 뭐지? 이게 뭐지? Who's that person over there? 저 사람. 누구지? Who's that? You can use question words like what, where, when at the beginning of the sentence and then use another verb. So, where's my phone? Who doesn't say this every day? I say this every single day. Where's my phone? And I'm like talking, on my phone with a friend. Where's my phone? Okay, so when you do that, 내 폰 어디? Where? 있지? 내 폰 어딨지? Okay, what shall we eat today? 오늘 뭐 먹지? This is a question moms ask every day, and now that I'm a grown up, I know why she asked it every day, because that's what I'm asking every day. What should we eat? Oh my god. 오늘 뭐 먹지?
지금 한서방 집에서 너한테 깜짝 프로포즈 한다고 요란 법석이거든?
뭐? 프로포즈?
이따가 보면 울어.
아, 알았어. 근데 어떻게 울지?
How do we use with past tense? We keep the past tense suffix. Present tense is 예뻐, pretty, right? And to make this into past tense, it becomes 예뻤어. And then to use this one, you just change all to 지. 예뻤지. That was really pretty. 예뻤지. All the cherry blossoms were really pretty, right? The past tense, we saw it yesterday or last weekend. 벚꽃 진짜 예뻤지. Or politely, 예뻤죠. Of course, you can answer, right? Yes, it was really pretty. Between friends, you'll say, 벚꽃 진짜 예뻤지. 네, polite, 진짜 예뻤죠. 먹어, to eat, 먹어요, eating now, right? Or in general. So 먹었어, past tense, we change all to 지, 먹었지. Just neutrally asking, did you eat? 밥 먹었어? 밥 먹었어? Of course I ate already. What time is it? 먹었지. In Korean, you always say 밥. 밥 먹었지? 밥 먹었어? 밥 먹었지. 밥 먹었어. If you want to make it polite, 먹었어요. 밥 먹었어요? This is casual, similar age people, classmates, and you're not that close to each other, but you don't want to honor them. Then you can say 밥 먹었어요? Or people who are just dating now. To honor somebody who's older and higher than you, you'll use 드시다, the honorific form of 먹다. And 밥 doesn't sound polite enough. So you will instead say exactly what you're talking about. 점심 드셨어요? Did you have lunch? 저녁 드셨어요? Did you have dinner? 아침 드셨어요? Did you have breakfast? To your boss, to your professor, to grandparents. Or there is a Sino-Korean word, 식사, meal. You can say 식사하셨어요? When you're answering in polite way, instead of 먹었지, you'll say 네, 먹었죠. Of course, I ate in the polite ending. Alright, last thing, 여러분. Remember this. It's weird to start a conversation with the first statement ending with 지. So you don't just start conversation, 예쁘지. Sounds weird, okay? So either ask a question when it's the beginning of the conversation, like 예쁘지, right? Or answer, 예쁘지, yes, it is right. So you can either use it as a question or an answer, but not just out of nowhere statement. We don't really use this. There's one way that is natural to start a conversation with 지. That is, somebody asked earlier, 해야지. This 야지 form. This is used to say you must. And I really mean it. You should do it. 야 돼요. I have to work. 일해야 돼요. I have to study. 공부해야 돼요. That 야 form is here. And then you put 지 after. Say strong commitment. I mean it. You have to do it. You can use as the first thing that opens the conversation, not as an answer. So 먹어. And then you put 야지. You should eat. You should know this. I really mean it. 밥 먹어야지. You should eat. Yes. 해야지. 해, do. and you put 야지. Oh, you should do this. 해야지. And sleep. 자야지. It's late. 늦었어. 자야지. 봐, to watch. 봐야지. 잘 봐야지. You should look closely. You must eat well. 잘 먹어야지. Alright, there we go. 잘 먹어야죠.
당면 아직이라니까요. 아, 더 끓이고 나야지. 아, 더 끓이고 나야지. 아, 더 끓이고 나야지.
또 울어?
이제 진짜 코앞이잖아. 우리 희경이 결혼.
또 시작이네. 아, 당신이 울면 어떡해. 희경이가 울어야지. 희경이가 울어야지. 희경이가 울어야지.
So that 아야지 you can just say out of nowhere. 질문 있어요? Verb는 거죠. Work same as we studied. 거예요, probably. Instead of 예요, you can put 지 or 조. We're gonna go shopping, right? 쇼핑 갈 거지? 갈 거죠? We are going, right? General present tense는 거. 뭐 하는 거지? What's the thing you are doing? You're focusing on the action. So you can use 하는 거지 or 조. 괜찮죠? 쉽죠? Easy, right? 쉬웠죠? It was easy, right? 질문 없죠? You don't have question, right? Okay, so next week we will look at 거든 and 잖아, then Q&A, and then we'll do another topic. 감사합니다, 여러분. 하트. 다음 주에 봐요. See you next week.